Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the history of our favorite companions, the dogs. It was originally believed the first domesticated wolves appeared around 15,000 years ago in the Middle East. Grey wolves were domesticated by humans somewhere in western Eurasia. Scientists believe wolves were first attracted to human camps to scavenge for leftover food. Over time, some wolves started traveling with the nomadic humans, and a sort of natural selection for domestication occurred. The dog evolved from the grey wolf into more than 400 distinct breeds. Although details about the evolution of dogs are uncertain, the first dogs were hunters with keen senses of sight and smell. In ancient Egypt during the days of the pharaohs, dogs were considered to be sacred. They were pampered by their own servants, outfitted with jeweled collars, and fed their choicest diet. Upon the death of a ruler, his favorite dog was often interred with him. When livestock were domesticated about 7,000 to 9,000 years ago, dogs served as herders and guardians of sheep, goats, and cattle. And dogs are humans' best friend.